Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. Jordan buys 256 notebooks. He buys the notebooks in packs of 8. Each pack costs 2.48 pounds. Work out how much the 256 notebooks cost Jordan. So we can see here that he buys them in packs of 8 and he pays for each of those packs. What does that mean? So 256 divided by 8 will give us our number of packs, but then each pack is $2.48. So each pack is multiplied with 2.48. So simply we can write 256 divided by 8 times 2.48 will give us our final value. And we can use our calculator here. 256 divided by 8 times 2.48, which gives us 79.36, 79.36 pounds. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Ram and Scram.